guys, so today I'm going to be making three different types of corn dogs. First one is cheese corn dog, second is potato corn dog, and third is sausage and cheese corn dog. Yeah, so let's get started. First of all, I have this block of cheese. I'm going to cut it. Like this, and let's remove this from here right now. I'm gonna this much. You need to cut this block into this much. For the cheese corn dog, I'm gonna cut it in the longitudinal ways. So I'm gonna cut. Let's see the steak first. These are chopsticks. So yeah, like this. So here's the block. I'm gonna cut it into pieces like this one. And you need to do the same for the other potato corn dog. So you cut it in the longitude. So yeah, you're done. I'm going to set this aside. Now I'm going to take the chopstick and take a slice of this cheese. And we're going to like this. So we're gonna take another stick and we're gonna keep the sausage first. Then I'm gonna take and keep the cheese like this. I'm using a small sausage and we're gonna continue doing these steps. I place the cheese and sausage on it. Now I'm gonna take a bowl. So first of all, you're gonna take 2 cups of all-purpose flour, sorry, and then you're gonna add half teaspoon of salt, 6 tablespoons of sugar, 2 eggs, and 2 cups of milk. So now you're gonna mix it. You can adjust the flour and milk. You will mix it well. I'm going to add a little more flour. So I'm going to add more flour. Mix it. It should turn smooth and thick. Yeah, that's the consistency I want. It's smooth and thick. You can see another bowl, in another dish actually. It's a longitudinal dish like this. I'm gonna take out the breadcrumbs. Here breadcrumbs and some. I'm going to first of all pour the batter in a cup. This is the cup. So I'm gonna take the cheese stick. I've poured the batter in a cup and I'm gonna cover it till the top. Covered the cheese stick, the batter, and remove the excess. I need to like this. And this is the cheese stick. Now we keep in the breadsticks or breadcrumbs and cover it properly. You cover it properly and evenly actually. So yeah, this is a corn dog. That will be a corn dog after frying actually. Now I'm gonna make the potato corn dog. So I'm gonna first keep in the batter, cover it properly, evenly, remove it, remove the excess. I need to actually show you this process so it will be better. Like this. Remove the excess properly. And now I'm going to keep it in chunks of potato. Like this. And you need to cover it. Just apply the potato chunks on top everywhere. And apply it. it like this. I'm gonna need to stick it, actually. Stick it like this. Evenly and properly. Wherever you see the batter plain part, you need to stick it. And like this. Now we keep it in the breadcrumbs immediately. Yeah. This is the potato corn dog. Now I'm going to show you how to make the uh, cheese and sausage corn dog. You have the cheese and sausage stick. You're gonna keep it in the batter. Pick it up. Remove the excess. And keep it in the breadcrumbs. Cover it properly. And here you get the cheese and sausage corn dog. So you need to continue doing these steps, and then I'm going to tell you the next step.
So guys, in a pan, I'm going to heat some oil. Get the oil, and now keep the corn dog in it. And you need to cook it on medium heat for 3 minutes. Now it's been 3 minutes, and I'm going to take it out on a plate.
So guys, now I'm going to, these are the corn dogs, and now I'm going to taste them. Yeah. So let's taste it. They're really nice, crispy, cheesy, and yummy. So half of my corn dogs, my family ate them before. See the cheese. Yeah. So if you like this video, please like, subscribe, and comment down below.